I left Bridget stuck to a pole, robbed Lashana of a fabulous soul, made even Courtney lose control. Now I'm gonna leave you wedged up in a hole. This is how we will end it. This game we have played. This is how we will end it. Bill must be paid.
Ooh. Shouldn't have mocked you for having to dig. Help me out and I'll be your human drill rig.
You think I'm gonna fall for that? Ain't a tea party, it's combat. This is how we will end it. This game we have played. This is how we will end it. Your bill must be paid.
Ooh. I'm wedged in a hole. This isn't hard. If I'm going down, make a fair fight. It's beneath you to abandon a girl in a ditch. Offer me my dignity. I haven't got a stitch. Please, Alejandro, you and I have been the greatest adversaries this game has ever seen. Is this how you want to win it? Because I got jammed into a pit by a stupid rock? Is that the victory you want?
I left Bridget stuck to a pole, robbed Lashana of her fabulous soul, made even Courtney lose control. But I can't leave you wedged in a hole. This is not how we'll end it.